Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a website using Wix. First, you'll want to sign up for a free Wix account, which is super easy to do. Once you're in, you can explore their vast library of over 800 professionally designed templates. Take your time to browse and select a template that perfectly matches your vision, whether it's for a business, portfolio, or personal blog. This initial step sets the foundation for your entire online presence, making it simple to get started. Now it's time to bring your vision to life. Wix's powerful drag-and-drop editor makes customization incredibly simple. You can effortlessly move and resize elements, change colors, fonts, and backgrounds to match your brand. Upload your own images and videos, or choose from Wix's extensive media library. Adding interactive features like contact forms or stunning image galleries is just a few clicks away, giving you complete creative control over your site's appearance and functionality. To make your website even more powerful, explore the Wix app market, offering hundreds of applications to enhance functionality, from booking systems to social media feeds. Don't forget about search engine optimization, or SEO, to help people find your site. Wix provides built-in tools to optimize your content for search engines, boosting your visibility. Finally, connect your own custom domain name to give your website a professional and trustworthy identity, making it truly yours. You're almost ready to go live? Before publishing, take a moment to thoroughly review every page of your website. Check all your text for typos, ensure images are loading correctly, and test every link to confirm it works as intended. Once you're completely satisfied, simply click the Publish button. Your website will instantly be live and accessible to everyone online. Don't forget to share your amazing new site across your social media channels to start attracting visitors.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.